The road is closed. The road is closed. He is a robber. He is a robber. Who is that? Who is that? I am sorry. I am sorry. It is only 10 minutes walk. It is only 10 minutes walk. Who is there? Who is there? Wait here. Wait here. Where is your house? Where is your house? Wake me at 5 o'clock. Wake me at 5 o'clock. Take one pill after meal. Take one pill after meal. We are brokers. We are brokers. Keep the accounts clear. Keep the accounts clear. Please count the money. Please count the money. How is your business going? How is your business going? Can you lend me $10? Can you lend me $10? Don't laugh at others. Don't laugh at others. He will land in Kabul on Friday. He will land in Kabul on Friday. I took green tea. I took green tea. We have lost our way. We have lost our way. Give me your address. Give me your address. Hurry up, please. Hurry up, please. This is against the law. This is against the law. He is innocent. He is innocent. Don't hypocrite. Don't hypocrite. Drink cold water. Drink cold water. Drink cold water. Thanks for watching. غواړئ چې انګلیش باندې په روانه ډول په کم وخت کې خبرې وکړئ نو مهرباني وکړئ زموږ چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او ترڅنګ یې د بیل آیکن ووهئ او بیا په آل باندې کلیک وکړئ ترڅو زموږ هر نوی کلاس تاسو ته په خپل ټایم در ورسیږي. دغه کورس د هغو افغانانو وروڼو لپاره جوړ شوی څوک چې د انګلیش لنګویج سره مشکل لري او غواړي چې په انګلیش باندې په روانه ډول خبرې وکړي. تر بیا د الله په امان.